Now this kit is perfect for first time people into model railways, especially into English double O scale, or perhaps for, I guess, a younger audience, the LNER Azuma. So one of the first products that's landed in store for 2026 is a new starter set from Hornby. This one is featuring the LNER Azuma, and we're going to open it up and take a look at what you get. Now this kit is perfect for your first time people into model railways, especially into English double O scale, or perhaps for, I guess, a younger audience who is looking to get into model trains, but you know, want something a bit more robust and not as high fidelity as some of, say, the Australian things or the more premium English stock. Anyway, this thing has only just come out. It is what has been the starter set for a long time. So you get some track, you get a map, which I'm going to show you in a second, and you get a controller. As well as that, you do get a train. Now, of course, it is the Hornby starter set, so you do have lots of options on track going forward, not just from Hornby, but you can also use Pico, because it's just code 100 set track. It's nothing too wild. You don't have to worry about gluing anything down just yet. This is a good one if you want to get it out for, say, the school holidays, Christmas, bit of fun, rainy weekend, that kind of thing. All right, first out the gate, you get your Azuma. So the Azuma runs mainly, and feel free to correct me in the comments, Eastern services from London. So I caught one of these last year. They're fast, they're quiet, they've been running since about 2019. Much better than anything that we have here. There we go, they're built for speed and yeah, getting around. Now you get one powered end, the other is a dummy car and a center car. I believe you can expand on this if you so feel. Inside the box, it is a standard starter set. You get a play mat, so you can pop this down on a kitchen table. If you really want the floor, I wouldn't 100% recommend putting it on the floor. If you have nowhere else to put it, it'll do. That's a pretty safe way though to stop like bits of fiber and that getting into the motors. In terms of what you get in the box, you get a bunch of set track. Now this set track's nothing flash, but it will get the job done. It comes with the fish plates, which are removable. So if you have track from other sets and the fish plate's on the wrong side, or it's older and you've lost the fish plates, these do come off. You may just need a pair of needle nose pliers. You get a bunch of curves, you get some straight pieces, you get some smaller straight pieces, you get a set of points. Now the points on these are isolating points, so whichever way the point is switched is what will have power. So if you do have a little siding and it's got some freight cars, if you decide to go down that, or you want to put a second loco down there, nothing will move until you put power to it. So this doesn't need any complex wiring or anything like that. It is very much a plug and play set. Comes with the re-railer. So this one, you pop it on the track. Pop it on the track, pop that bit in the middle, and you just feed the train into it and it'll line it up. Makes it a bit easier, especially for little hands, than getting it right every time. Apart from that, you get a standard DC controller. This is the standard Hornby controller. Get the safety thing off. Forward, reverse, pretty easy. Got your dial. It's couldn't be much simpler. However, if you do want to make this thing DCC, it is just a plug and play for DCC as well. Being Hornby, you've got to kind of use their HM7000 series chips, which we do sell, and of course you then need the controller, but that's a whole nother thing you don't have to get into straight away. Or you can use the Bluetooth aspect and just use your phone, which is probably the easier option. Anyway, oh, what else do you get? You get some buffers. There you go, get some buffers for your siding. So that's it in terms of what you get in the box, what you get in terms of the rolling stock and locomotive, or in this case, I guess it is a train. The quality on this thing is fine. It's pretty standard. They're not like a super detailed model or anything like that. There's no little bits for little hands to break off. There's no mirrors on the side. There's no, well, yeah, real things you can damage. So if you've got young people using this and they're a bit rough, it'll be okay. 3-car set, it'll run around real fast. All right, so out of the gate, if you want to look at expanding this using the Hornby tracks, you can. So they do different packs. We usually carry all of them. They just vary from when they're in stock from time to time. So depending on when you're seeing this, these may or may not be here. Now these are compatible with all their previous starter sets as well as this one. And they are compatible, like I said earlier, with the Pico track, the set track. These come in different configurations, be it points, be it straight bits, be it curved bits, so you can make it all happen. The only thing that these kits don't come with, and I wish they did, but they don't, is cleaning. Pico track rubber. They're pretty inexpensive. They'll last you a long, long time. Once you start using your model railway, the tracks will get dirty just because it's electrical conductivity between the trains and the tracks, and they get a little bit grimy. This, for not a lot of money, will save you a lot of problems. Cleans the track, cleans the muck off the top, and you're going to have nice, smooth running trains. The other option are these. So this doesn't quite work with this set because it has non-standard couplings, but if you have another locomotive or perhaps a different set, you can get the maintenance car. You can set behind a locomotive, or you can just push it around, I suppose. You can put it into a consist as a little maintenance of a way train. But it's got some little pads on the bottom. And these push down on the rails, and it comes with some cleaners which you attach to the base of this. It sits on the track and runs around and cleans your track while it's running. So if you don't want to have to physically clean it, you can get one of these and they'll do it. Personally, I would look at adding a little bit more weight to this. You can do that with lead weight, you can do it with brass, you can do it with old coins. It doesn't really matter what you do it with, as long as you get a bit more weight in it. But that is another option as well. So that's a quick look at the new Azuma starter set from Hornby that has just arrived in store right at the start of 2026. And of course, if you do have any questions, feel free to reach out, either call the store, send us an email, or have a look on our social media. And of course, you can come and visit us, because don't forget, all trains lead to Hearns. Anyway, there's lots of stuff coming. Don't forget to come in and say hello. We'll see you then. Hooroo.